So guys, today I'm going to show you something new that I just hooked up. Not a new machine, but in here, right there, you can see the red handle. Anyway, I hooked it up beside the dishwasher, so I got two connections here. But that means I got water connection to the washing machine, and of course we got power hooked up right here, and drain right there. And I'm going to turn it on a drain program. I mean, I gotta go to the P. Whoops, let me show you some. There we go. P. Program P. And let's see, just turn it on. It's a very noisy pump right now. I think it's because it's empty. Hold on. Wow, that's noisy. 2 seconds. Let me just fill some water in it and then try again. Okay guys, I just filled some water in the drum. Well, it's kind of hard to see, but you can right there. Anyway, I can't turn on the light on this phone apparently when it's recording. So let me try the program P again. There you go. It's needed water. There we go. It's because when I put the machine in storage, I always empty out the pump and empty out everything to make sure there's not a lot of water in it. It smells bad because it's been sitting for a while. They start smelling a little bit. Also got something else. Let me show you. It's not just bad, because like I said, there was no light apparently. So, well, okay, hold on. Just plug it in over here. There you go. And you already see the light in the distance. Voila. It's not as tall as I hope it would be. But look at this. Nice little lamp. And now you can't see anything. That's perfect. Okay, now you can see. Well, I think it's done now. Huh? Well, the door is open. Ah, that's okay. So let's do some. Which program should we use? We got A. Let's try that. So firstly, I'm gonna turn it off here. I'm gonna find A, which spells ba. So now it's going to empty out, but it will extra rinse with a spin. I'm not sure if it's gonna spin first or seriously it's like turning right now. My plan with this hookup, if you can hear me for the machine, is to make it possible for me to do to hook up more than one machine and have two machines running at the same time. The drum is a little bit noisy right now if it's sitting, but well, I'm not using it a lot. That's probably why it's making some weird sounds. it starts spinning again. It only goes one way, this machine. That's I never understand why it does that. See? Really quickly. And I like that when it fills, it goes down on the glass. That's the only machine I actually have. Or have that does this. The other machines fills, so you can't see it. Well, actually what I thought, when this machine only goes one way, the clothes and, you know, the things you put in will tangle up, but it doesn't seem to be an issue, really. So. And sadly enough, it's the only machine that I actually bought from this thrift store. They kind of like stopped selling those because they don't have the, you know, option to test them, and if they're not working, they have to dispose of them, and they apparently they don't want to do all that work. So there's not many stores that have them, many or thrift stores that actually has washing machine anymore here. So it's kind of hard to find them. And I mean, I can carry it up the stairs, but it's kind of heavy, and it's not easy, and you know, it's easier if you can get them delivered, and then they will help you take them up the stairs. I don't know why it lags so much. And, on this video, it's not that in real life. Apparently, it's. It has a hard time recording this. I am shooting with a new phone. My old phone got kind of like tired, and it was so slow that it was unbearable, and you couldn't even update apps on it anymore because there was no more space, apparently. So I decided to waste a lot of money anyway on my phone. So I think this phone costs the same as the AEG washing machine, so well, I don't know how long this program is. There is a stop sign on the here, I guess. Actually, if we're at A, we started at A here, now it's going to B, and I guess when it gets to the key symbol here, it will stop. So I can actually push a little bit. Start starting. Maybe the video is lacking a little bit because I'm recording with HDR, I guess. Start a spin. Oh, not yet. So anyway, this is my new plan, my new idea of putting a machine to run in my kitchen and having another machine running in the bathroom at the same time. So right now, I'm just gonna briefly show you here, there is no Bauknecht anymore sitting in the kitchen, or the dryer actually, because, well, I moved it into storage and I moved around some stuff in my living room, yeah. So actually this one thing that's sitting over there has been moved out here, so I could make some more space in my living room. So right now I'm trying to figure out if I can get something smaller, or yeah, so I can hook the Bauknecht back up again. Anyway, now let's just fast forward a little bit more. So I'm just fast forwarding a little bit here, whatever. Anyway, just to show you how it is, that it's working. Anyway, so yeah, I hope you will enjoy the videos I'm gonna make here, and I'm trying to do some wash race. It's kind of difficult because I kind of like need two cameras to film that, but I'll definitely do some wash-in kind of videos. I'm trying to wash in right now it will be in this Bauknecht and in the AG, and hopefully later on I will kind of like get another machine. I'm looking at a machine that I really want to get. It's a very nice old school machine. It's very old school, and it's something that I haven't seen like in all the time I've been collecting these machines. So I really hope I can get it. Anyway, so there you go. The machine is done. And yeah, well, thanks for watching, and looking forward to shoot some more videos. And yeah, have a great day.